choice today with 2017 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, wheel locks, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, power windows, tachometer, power steering. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.